Okay, let's go.
We're just doing some maintenance here on the truck today. It's today's Monday, but it's +3 out, so gotta take advantage. So just gonna get some things done. Figured out where my light issue is. The wire broke off, so I'm gonna clip the wires here and just reattach. Looks like it clipped off under here, so I'll fix that. That's good. Don't have to buy a new light. It's always a good sign. So yeah, we're just gonna put these boxes on. I'll show you in the back. Up there, we got those ones up there, and they got some new ones in my car there waiting. So a little sick from Christmas, but it's nice out, so enjoy the weather, right? Our light is back on. It's nice when it's just a simple, easy little fix like that. A broken wire. Get to that probably the salt and shit that they put on the road, but I like it. And then I put a little extra heat shrink on there. You can kind of see. There you go. That cover back. When I replaced this plug to my power, as last time I was working, I went to plug my truck in, and look, it burnt. Almost started the truck on fire, so immediately unplugged it. Looks like it was just the wires inside touching, or I don't know what happened. Plug, I guess maybe the plug on my cord there was shorted out and melted the plug. So we got this new one in. Bought it on Amazon. It's a two-way splitter, and then I just put a new plug on the end. So for there, and then for this end, I can run it to. I have this little onboard battery charger. Let's see. It's back there, that Norco. So I'll hook that up, so that I can always have charged batteries and warm the truck. It's good. Still haven't got to the boxes yet, but that's next, so stay tuned. It's mounted, and let me tell you, it's a lot better than how I had it before. So I put those little corner brackets on because I'll show you on this one. It was loose, and then it actually broke. It broke in there on the seams. So. Plus, these boxes are a little bit smaller, so look at that. Not moving at all. So, just put some a bolt with a fender washer there. Then we have the two on that side, and I'm going to put another one on there, 4, and that's good. A little bit of gap underneath. It's all the weight is sitting on these brackets here. So yeah, making progress. But yeah, then I'll show you when I get the other box off with how stupid I managed to do that, but live and learn, right? So yeah. A little bit of a mess, all my straps, everything. Should probably refold these tarps so they're a little nicer looking. We'll see if we have time. It's gonna get dark, and Oilers game tonight, so I got to be home for that. So the only other thing I have to do eventually is wire these lights up. I need a little more light down here, but I had run out of wire, and I wanted to make sure I got these on before it got too cold. Yeah, these are just pretty much for. I got some flags and just some extra storage. So I think these straps, I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to put them in there or put them back. Should probably use them because they're just getting dirty and wearing out from just sitting in there, but So here's my little platform that I got. Because I'm short, so I can't reach up here. But it works good, right? Really nice out. Almost too warm for my toque. We got some trucks coming in and out. They cleared my snow for me. Moved my truck out of the way, so that's good. I'll continue on. Well, we're all done. Boxes are mounted. Look much better. Just got to bring my tools down. Very sturdy. So here's what happened to this one. It actually broke right out of the bottom. That's why I put those brackets on the corners to, I think it started to rip at the seam there. It's really thin metal, so kind of a cheap little box, but yeah. And then also I put some airlines, fittings, and stuff in this pack out that I got on sale. So it's really handy because my actual other box here, it broke. So good productive day. Starting to rain a little bit, but still really warm out. So, yeah, hope everyone had a good Christmas also. It's probably been my, well, there might be another, I might get work before the end of the year here, but if not, it's alright. It's nice out. Get some maintenance done. Still gotta work on the APU, but that's for another day. I don't have didn't bring an oil filter with me, so yeah, everything's looking good here. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna finish cleaning up and then get on my way. But here's the other box also. I guess I should say that it wasn't nearly as bad. It started to crack a little bit there, but it's somewhat usable still. The other one is definitely trashed, but yeah, so I'm gonna put this stuff away and see you guys later.